Good morning. We're the Andersons in Kirkwood, Missouri, a suburb of St. Louis. We built this home about 9 years ago, and we tried to add a lot of green features. Let me show you some. Up here off the front porch, in an alcove, we have a couple of small rain barrels. Here's a flat back, commercially purchased rain barrel. And here's another type of barrel that was retrofitted to become a rain barrel, and on it we have a rain chain instead of a downspout. Let me keep going. Around here on the side is another rain barrel with a rain chain. And then on the south side, we have a sunroom. And it has some solar features on the roof. Hang on while I get a good angle. There we go, solar roofing on the sunroom. And then about 4 years ago, we had solar panels installed on the entire south-facing roof. Now here's another one of these small barrels, and as you can see, the paint is failing after 10 years. Same on that one back there. But in the back of the house, we have 4 large rain barrels. 275-gallon containers. They're white plastic. So the company we bought them from figured out a way to wrap them with something we could paint to match the house. As you can see, the paint is failing, and the top of it is especially failing. Let me keep going. I have to go down a little hill here. That noise in the background is an interstate highway that we live 2 blocks from. Now here's another one of these large rain barrels. The top is really in bad shape. Now I have to go up a hill, so hang on again. Here we go. This rain barrel is in the worst shape because the top is totally gone on this one. Then over there in the other corner, another one where the top is failing. We really do love our grain barrels, but we certainly didn't want white plastic against our beautiful home. We need your help to figure out a way to camouflage them. Make them pretty again, something that won't fail in the first couple years and really totally fail in 10 years. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye.